So it is Tuesday today. The weather is terrible, raining. Yeah, but I do have a nice kind of summery outfit on. Yeah, it was nice yesterday, but it's horrible today. I chose to wear sandals today, which was not the best choice considering the weather. But they're these really nice, if I can show you, they're like these really nice jelly shoes from a while back. I don't know if you can see how rainy that is, but it's pretty bad. I showed you before, these shoes are my ASOS jelly shoes. Well, I got them on ASOS. I think it's cleared up enough just to show you my outfit. Yeah, so my glasses are ASOS, my bag is Chrome Industries. I got this jacket on eBay. Skirt is Thrifted, and the shoes are my jelly shoes from ASOS. Okay, that's my look for. Yeah, so that's my look for today. Good morning, it's Wednesday, just on my way to the studio. Kind of similar outfit to yesterday. I'll show you when I get a second to find somewhere. I have on these leopard print cycling shorts that I got in Goodwill, I think, in America. So, just off into the studio, just washed my hair so it'll dry naturally. I'll show you my outfit when I get to my spot. Yeah, nice and sunny today. It's Monday today, just on my way into the studio. I have on my jelly shoes. Not the best choice considering it was raining all day. And some green eyeshadow. So it is Tuesday today, just getting ready to head into the studio. And I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing today. I've just washed my hair so it's wet. I'm just gonna let it air dry. I have on this pink jacket that I thrifted maybe a few years ago, and this kind of tiger print blouse, and then I have on these flares I thrifted maybe a few weeks ago, and these Zara boots that I got in TK Maxx. So that is my full outfit. Yeah, I'll be able to show you kind of better the full outfit when I'm outside. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing for today, and I'm just heading into the studio now. I think I will wear as well just a cap. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, so I'm in the studio now. I just tied my hair up, and I got some bits on the way in, so I thought I would show you. So, if you can make you see me better, but so there's a shop that I always go into once a week, and today there was so much there that I liked, so I'll show you what I got. Okay, so firstly I got this top, which I suppose is quite, actually I'll just close the window because it's quite loud. Yeah, I suppose it's quite a summery top. It's like a mesh, but I think for layering in the summer it's going to be really nice, like with a colour underneath, and maybe like just even if you can imagine with necklaces on top, so like that. Then I got this. Then I got this top, which I thought was so cute. I love the kind of detail on it. I'm thinking I could even wear it inside out because the other side is kind of a little bit easier to see the pattern, but I like both sides. I've been watching the new season of Only Murders in the Building, and I love the style of Selena or Mabel, with all the kind of nice knit jumpers that she's been wearing. Maybe it's because it's coming into autumn as well, but yeah, I saw this and thought yes, definitely. And even I can imagine, because the scoop neck is kind of quite low on this, so I could imagine having it with I don't know if that makes any sense, but like wearing it with maybe the mesh under. Yeah, so I really like that. Then I got these trousers. They're like leggings, like ribbed leggings from Zara. I think I remember seeing these online as well, and they have like a slit bottom on them, so they're kind of quite cool. They're tight on the leg and then they kind of like slit out at the bottom. And yeah, I think there's going to be really fun ways to style them with like a higher shoe and the slit kind of going over the shoe. So yeah, I had to pick up them. And I've been seeing like shorts like this styled quite a lot, but like ballet flats and like a nice jumper. And yeah, I saw these and I was like, oh, I can do that too. So these are like really inexpensive, but they're just like training jersey type shorts. And yeah, I'm excited to see, again, kind of coming towards the end of the summer now, but yeah, I'm sure it's something I can bring into next year's summer. This is such a fun find. It is a French Connection top, but it's so cute. It's got like all this stitched detail on it and this print. That's the label there, and then it also still has this on it. Yeah, I thought it was really, really sweet. I don't know if there's any other. It's very tight on me, but I really like the idea of that. Really tight, and then like maybe a low waistband skirt or something. So yeah, thought that was sweet. And then I picked up some more jersey t-shirts. This is like a tie-dye baby tee. I think it's like a kid size, but I thought it was really cute, like kind of tight. I'll probably add my own print to that. And I got this one. It's just from Primark, but I thought it was really cute. Little star print. Yeah, just a small size again, but I think this, and then paired with like interesting bottoms. I like the colour and this kind of the print, the spacing on the print. So yeah, I think it'll be a nice addition to layer with. And then lastly, I picked up this sheer polka dot top with this kind of side bow tie on it, and one of these big zips, which is kind of quite early 2000s. I used to have so many dresses and skirts and everything with this big zip on it, but yeah, I don't know if that's what that's about, but I think it's really cute. And yeah, just nice for layering. Yeah, so that is everything I thrifted today. Yeah, really happy with these finds. I'm sure I'm going to style a lot of these pretty soon. Yeah, so I'm sure you'll see me wearing them soon. Okay.